Another incredible week at First Liberty. But before we get into that, I want to start how I've started each time, which is if we can pray for you about anything, your health, somebody in your family's health, somebody you know going through COVID-19 that's in danger, or your business and what people are going through there, we would love, it's a privilege for us to be able to do that. We're about to meet as a staff from our people all over the country, and we do count that a privilege to pray for you. Last week was really an incredible week. We had a number of more victories, a number of churches in upstate New York who were being told that they couldn't have their services, even though they were drive-in services, very safe, not a problem. They were even canceled right before Easter. It was really sad. The good news is, as soon as we came in with legal action, that is now all evaporated. Those attacks on them, they are now meeting. Everything has been restored. That was really good news. The other great news is the Louisville case, which we had won, which is a very important case. It's the seminal case. We had never had a case in the middle of a pandemic that said, do your constitutional rights still apply? What is the constitutional structure? That is an incredible victory. I encourage you, if you haven't seen it, go to our website and look at that victory. Read that order. You'll understand it. You can share it with other people. It's really an encouragement, and it really is setting something that's going to be the precedent for decades to come. Well, we had a final victory on that case last week. It is over completely. The city has totally backed down from the church, and the church will be able to meet. Very important victories, and I want to thank you. But we've got a lot of new phases coming. Now people are starting to open back up. Texas is opening up for churches. A number of states are starting the process. We are going to need resources to make sure that we're there to protect, to allow these churches to open back up. What we can't allow is the new normal to be something where people have less freedoms, where we will have lost something coming out of this pandemic. We've got to be there to make sure that we have full and vibrant First Amendment freedoms while being safe at the same time. So as you might guess, things have been significantly down in giving. And so we would ask you, if you would pray for what we're going through. We have 2 new big cases we're looking at this week. We really want wisdom on that. We have this new phase that's coming. We need resources. We need wisdom. And I would just encourage you, pray for that. For what we're going through, pray for the time. It's kind of a unique time while these great opportunities are there for us to set precedent that really affects the future of our country, is the very time when things are a little tougher and we understand what's going on not only with us but with other groups that are significantly down in support. Thank you for being a part of really all of these great victories that are happening. We had something happen last week that I have never seen before. We had 2 of our own cases competing for what was going to be the top story on foxnews.com. You had the Louisville case and the churches in New York case, and they were all competing like a horse race. And so it's an incredible time really in the opportunities we have, and you're making all this happen. Thank you for being a part of First Liberty. Let us know if we can pray for you in any way, and God bless you.